My name is Nujoud Merancy, and I'm the mission planning and analysis lead for Orion. So Orion fits into the overall exploration architecture by being the vehicle that really gets the crew safely to and from Earth and can provide for them for 21 days worth for up to 4 crew of supplies and breathable air and things like that. We're really designed to be the first stepping stone to a wide variety of missions. We can go to asteroids with the crew, and we can go to Mars, and those things all need more equipment, but Orion will be that first piece, and we'll be able to support a lot of missions in whatever the plans for exploration are in the future. So in order to be versatile, Orion is treating it like upgrade kits. It's almost a plug-and-play system, where right now we're building the base vehicle, and that's what essentially we're flying on EFT-1. And then for follow-on missions, we can keep adding to it. We can add the docking system, we can add a water kit to extend a mission, we can add thermal protection. We could change the heat shield to make it thicker, which would handle a higher speed entry. And really what you need when you go beyond is to add a habitat module to Orion to give the crew enough space. So all of these things we can modify over time and build up and take away as needed as technology improves as well. So what I like best about working on Orion is we're building the exploration vehicle. So I mean, I grew up watching the shuttle, and I worked on the space station, and all of those are in low Earth orbit, but for me it's we're really going to go beyond. No one's been higher than a few hundred kilometers from Earth in my lifetime, so I'm very proud to be a part of sending people beyond low Earth orbit again.